Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a YouTube channel. First, sign into YouTube using your existing Google account. Then, navigate to the channel list and create a new channel. You can choose a personal channel or a brand account, which offers more flexibility for multiple managers. Select a name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Next, personalize your channel's appearance to attract viewers. Upload a distinctive channel icon, often a logo or headshot, and a visually appealing banner image. Craft a clear and engaging channel description that tells people what your content is about. Don't forget to add links to your other online platforms, like your website or social media profiles. Now, let's talk about content. Determine your niche and who you want to reach with your videos. This helps in planning topics that resonate with your audience. Focus on creating high-quality content, paying close attention to both audio and video. Clear sound and good visuals are crucial for viewer engagement and retention, making your videos more enjoyable. Finally, it's time to upload and optimize your videos. Choose a compelling title that grabs attention and accurately describes your content. Write a thorough video description, including keywords, and add relevant tags to improve discoverability. Share your new video across your social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience and encourage views.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.